This little Pomeranian is Prince. And the Corgi is Gordo. Both very nice dogs. And this little brown one down here is CJ.
What's the corgi's name? Gordo.
Prince. Hi, Prince. CJ.
What is your fascination with? Yeah, he's obsessed with it.
CJ gets along with the other small dogs.
Yes. Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog?
Gordo.